How to enter promo codes on Wayfair. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to enter promo codes on the Wayfair's website or application. So first thing you're going to have to do is go to your web browser and then go to wayfair.com, hit enter. Once you go ahead and hit enter, now once you land on their official site, you are going to have to sign into your account. Or if you want to continue as guest, what you can do is just go ahead and tap on any one of their items that you want to add. So let's just go ahead and tap on this right here. And let's add this to our cart. So you can just scroll down, select your quantity, and then tap on add to cart. Once the item has been added, now you can click on continue to cart to view your item on your cart, and then you can go to the checkout page. So before you go to the checkout page, you'll find the option to add cart or promo code. Just tap on this, enter your code, tap on apply, and if the promo code is valid, you can continue to checkout and you'll get a certain amount of discount. That's basically how you can enter the promo code on Wayfair. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.